welcome back to the Southern Snack, where life is too short to be serious. And we are finally back at Dairy Queen doing another Blizzard review. Love these reviews, always fun to do. Now, I've had this Blizzard. It's been a while, like 3 years at least, 3.5 years at this point. At least it's probably been 4, maybe 5. So it's a Triple Truffle Blizzard of the month for February. They did not bring Red Velvet back, which, you know, I'm not too disappointed. I was not a big fan of when they had that. Definitely needed some improvements, so maybe they'll go back into the kitchen and do some experimenting. But the Triple Truffle has chocolate, well, fudge, caramel, and peanut butter truffles blended into their soft serve, and again, they have the fudge mixed into the soft serve too. So, very interesting, and I hope you give this channel a subscribe and like and comment on this video. What do you guys think of the return of the Triple Truffle Blizzard? I'm trying to get something showing there. Alright, I don't know how good that thumbnail is, probably not great, but there's another look. Best I can give you until I eat out of it. But yeah, let's see if they put a bunch of truffles or if they skimp me. We'll see. All right. I think I just got caramel and fudge there. Yep, definitely taste caramel and fudge. No, I taste peanut butter. That's weird. So maybe it was just caramel and peanut butter. I don't know. It's definitely a blizzard, a busy Blizzard. The truffle pieces really add an interesting crunch here. Sorry about that. And I really like the gooey center of each. I think what really makes this tricky is the fact that there are 3 different truffles. It's fun, but it's tricky. Especially trying to guess which one you just ate, right? I'm pretty sure that was caramel. But it's solid. It's so rich, though. Of all the flavors coming together, I'm pretty sure I just had all 3 together right there. I know this would take away from the Blizzard experience, but what would make this more interesting is if they gave you the truffles separately, made it just a chocolate Blizzard, and, like, you know, they were each, you know, separately packaged. I know that's very tricky, but you know what I mean. So I know what I'm getting here, because this is a lot. It's definitely the most confusing Blizzard you'll ever have. But in the same sense, it's also the most dynamic. And that was fudge. So I like the guessing game in a way. And I like all these flavors. I really do. Ooh, I just bit my lip. That's gonna hurt. But my issue is just how complicated it is. Like, you're not gonna have this consistency of flavor as you do with others. Like, you know when you're picking up an Oreo and a peanut butter swirl on the same scoop, right? or you don't know what you're going to get here. You don't know if you're going to get chocolate. You don't know if you're going to get caramel. You don't know if you're going to get peanut butter caramel, peanut butter chocolate, chocolate caramel. All three, you don't know. Which is a fun mystery, sure. But for me, I can't give this a super high rating. I think we're going to have to go with a 7. I don't know why I was about to say 5. Just because it's super flavorful. It's decadent. And I love the truffle pieces. But getting this kind of consistency is hard. You know, and you're not going to get consistency with 3 different types of truffles. You're not. There's going to be all this nice flavor mixed in throughout. But just the surprise of it kind of, you know, it tricks me. It throws me off. I'm like, okay, what's next? What's next? You know, what if I want all 3 together at once? Well, I don't know if I'm going to get that. I don't. And that's the tricky part. So, it's enjoyable. 7 out of 10, very solid. Don't mean to keep y'all any longer. So, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I like it. It's very chocolatey. It's got peanut butter and caramel that come throughout. But you never know what you're going to get. And that, for me, makes it complicated. So 7 out of 10. Other than that, I will see y'all around.